All right, today's date.
Train 2 Port Jefferson, scheduled for the King Park 5:35, Smithtown 5:43, St. James 5:48, Stony Brook 5:54. Train scheduled to arrive in Port Jefferson at 6:05. Train 18 minutes late through Northport after making added stops to accommodate customers from a late train delayed by switch trouble near Queens Village. Train 2 Port Jefferson 18 minutes late through Northport. We apologize for the inconvenience.
As you heard, train 658 currently running 17 minutes late due to an earlier train before it with switch trouble, and that train would be train 1718, got held at Hicksville. Today is Friday, August 28th, 2020. And the equipment on this train today is DM30ACs, 512 leading, 502 pushing with 8 cars. Next stop will be Stony Brook followed by Port Jefferson. This train also made some extra stops for today only, stopping at Syosset and Cold Spring Harbor. Normally after Hicksville, this train would bypass those 2 stops, would make Hicksville, then Huntington, and all stops to Port Jefferson.